It's really good. You will forget your name. Oh, there's one here.
Oh.
Here. Here, hang on.
Okay, you can catch.
Oh, shit, sorry.
What is it?
The cucumber.
Take it out of the cucumber.
Oh
Take
my
the
god, I'm so
cucumber
sorry.
out.
Yeah.
Hang on. I know where it is. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh, it's okay.
At least it's gone, it's gone.
파리를 잡았습니다. 아, 헬로. 지금 남편이 이제 일어났어요. 어제 새벽 9시, 6시 일어났다고. Do you have a sword? Sword?
Of course, we definitely pick whatever you need here.
Oh, can you put some little bit here? Yeah, for eggs. Everyone like egg or?
Everyone likes eggs.
Yeah.
You can even cook the whole egg sometimes.
So she doesn't have to cook.
Yes, it's okay.
Because she cannot say anything. You know, Debbie is so ready to want to talking, but now it's so quiet.
Her lips are like,
Oh, that looks nice, Sophie.
it smells nice.
Oh.
It's kimchi.
Can I try the?
You like it?
Perfect.
I love it.
Me
Really?
made it.
Me made it. It's not made. You know
teach
why?
me?
Because apparently, if she makes it, it's just spicy, but it's not
Yes.
This is good.
Because me made it.
Can Min teach me how to? So what is in here? What did he put?
It's soy,
Soy.
sesame, and and
good. Gochujang?
Oh, how did you know?
Oh, I have gochujang there.
Yeah, gochujang,
Sweet
식초,
and... What's that? Google.
식초,
Oh.
시리아. 식초가 영어로 뭐야?
영어로 식초는 다음
비니걸.
Ah!
I should learn from Min. I really like it. Where do you get your kimchi? What is 11?
Saturday.
따라라라따.
I really like their dim sum.
Really easy,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try. From our place.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yes, I bought this. We bought 4 and we gave it to a few friends. But
How was it?
I'll hide it.
Good.
Good?
It's
not
not
spicy?
spicy.
호호, 다행히 안 맵대요.
Oh,
오! 제디 will be angry. Oh, I'm hungry.
Thanks,
Me
Sophie.
thank you.
And thanks, Blue Whale.
What is bro?
Blue Whale is the restaurant.
아,
We are going there.
지금 파먹.
The video is up. Ah!
You wanna put more? Try first.
I'll try. I can have more.
Right?
Yeah.
I think
Because
so. It's
I like,
like,
yeah.
You can
I
put more
like,
kimchi.
I love
Spicy?
kimchi. When I used to live with a Korean family, we eat kimchi every day. There's always kimchi every day. She will make kimchi for the whole few months. It's a huge tub like this.
Yes, we usually
And
do
she
that.
keeps it. You open the fridge. Ooh, smells like kimchi.
But usually, for me, I didn't eat kimchi.
Really? Oh my God, I eat a lot. I used to eat a lot of kimchi. But I was so busy at that time. I had no time to learn how to make kimchi.
How was it? Is it good?
Oh yes, good.
Mm-hmm.
What's the name of these noodles?
We call 비빔국수.
Bibimbuksu.
Yummy. We should do the Korean way of eating noodles.
What?
Like
How?
this. No, it's like that.
Really?
Yeah.
But aren't you gonna? What's the English word for kabagin? Gassy.
Yes, gassy.
Don't you get gassy if you?
No.
It's
that.
like
a lot of air
No,
in
because
the...
you get a lot of air. Won't you be burping and
No.
burping after that? No?
No.
Okay.
But that's how you can tell that the noodles is good. But of course in here we don't do that. Even in the first, if you do that, your parents or grandfather will say eat peaceful or
eat
quietly.
Yes.
Don't slurp on your noodles.
Excuse me.
Wait, I did.
Oh,
See what I mean?
can I say
I won't go.
no? Not like that. Like this. You see? Oh no, that's not like this.
It's difficult to you?
I tried. It won't suck up. There's too much air.
That's why you get gas if you do like yours. It's good. Can I say chamchar soyo on this situation to you? Because you did good job.
Korean snack.
Korean snack.
Yeah, how was it?
Looks good. Smells good.
That's good.
Amazing.
It's crunchy.
Very chocolatey.
Yeah.
And it definitely needs a coffee with it.
Yeah, it's good for with long black.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, another one.
Amazing.
Another one.
No.
It's
We're going to try this one.
cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Oh, of course,
Mascarpone
cheesecake.
cheesecake.
Yeah. It's written in English. I was,
It's in English.
How was it smell?
It was smell a bit more chemical than the other one. We have the same one in Italy.
Oh,
We call
really?
it Fiesta. Beautiful. I think I used to eat maybe 6 of these a day when I was.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like this?
Surprise.
Yeah. That was my first addiction.
We have something similar in the
Oh.
Philippines too.
What is that?
Is it
Chicken?
choco fudge?
Ah, yeah.
And there's rum
Ay,
inside.
sorry.
Alcohol.
No,
Huh?
I didn't know.
Because we have the same, but we put alcohol inside it, of course.
Oh, really?
Wow, so
I mean,
amazing.
Nutella. You didn't eat.
Yummy.
Binche. Binche.
Make a good reaction.
Like that.
Exactly. Like it's an endorsement. Own it.
It's really good. You will forget your name. How do I say that in Korean?
Is it good with coffee?
You will forget your name. Yeah, it's very good with coffee.
In Korea?
You know when you eat something, that's an idiom.
Yeah.
It's
You
a-
will
it's a
forget your name.
Filipino
It's a Filipino.
먹다 죽을 것 같아?
It's a Filipino.
Filipino
뭐가
idiom.
졌다. 둘이 먹다 하나 가지고도 모르겠다.
There's one fly, babe.
Yes.
Where's the thing?
The thing is behind So,
Oh, yeah.
MJ's. Oh, this is good.
Good,
Very
right?
good with coffee.
Here.
Oh, where do I buy this?
In Korea.
Ouch.
Yes, in
I'll
Korea.
buy in Korea.
My friend gave me.
Oh, it's good. I like it.
What are you doing? Why are you sitting?